Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about merge sort. Merge sort is one kind of external sorting. External sorting, we know that it is used for large elements, for sorting the large amount of elements. So now let's consider large amount of elements like 1, 5, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6, 9. About 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 elements. In merge sort, what we do is we scan the database from left to right. Create an array 1, 5, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6 and 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Scan the database from left to right and 0 to 7. 0 plus 7 by 2, 3.5. Or we can take it as 8 elements. 8 by 2 equal to 4. So we divide this merge sort into half. We need to divide this merge sort into half like this: 1, 5, 7, 8 and 2, 4, 6, 9, and again one more element we need to add is infinity. Why we add this, we will get to know. This is left, this is right, and this is I, this is J. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, this we take it as I, this we take it as J, and we take infinity. On comparison, we will get to know why we use infinity. So, we need to take one more array for storing this sorted elements like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We name it as K. So now I, it is placed over here. I equal to 1, value is 1. J equal to 2. 1 is less than 2. So we will store 1 in the K. After storing 1 in the K, I is incremented by 1. K is incremented by 1. And after that, again we will take this I and J. I equal to 5, J equal to 4. Sorry, J equal to 2. J is present over here itself. So, if you compare 5 with 2, 5 is greater than 2. So, we will take 2 here and we will increment K and we will increment J here. We have to draw separate diagrams, but why to waste time? Let's go like this. J we will increment, I will be present over here. And again now we will compare I equal to 5. Now J is equal to 4. Again 4 is less than 5, which is J. So J will be incremented. 4 will be stored here. I is in the same position. K will increment. And now again I is equal to 5. Now J is equal to 6. So in comparison 5 is less than 6. So we will take 5 and we increment this I. After incrementing I and K, now I equal to 7, J equal to 6. We will compare this I and J. 6 is less than 7. So we will take 6 here, increment K and increment J. Done. Now I is equal to 7 itself. Again J equal to 9. Now 7 is less than 9. So 7 we will store here. And we will increment K and we will increment I. Done. Next, now I equal to 8, J equal to 9. 8 is less than 9, so we'll store 8 here. Increment k, increment I. Now I is equal to infinity, j equal to 9. 9 is less than infinity, so we will take 9 here. Now you got to know why we are taking this infinity, because infinity is more than this 9. So while comparison, we can take the elements in the sorted order. In this way we can sort the merge sort. But while you write in the exam, after one step, you draw these two arrays, you draw this k again, draw this I, j array, k array, show these increments, not like how I did. If you do like this, marks will be cut. So in this way, merge sort we can do for large amount of data. So if you like this video, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. In the next tutorial, we will learn more about more sortings. Still we have 3 more sortings, like quick sort, shell sort and heap sort. Let's learn more about it. So if you like this video, please do like, comment and share. And if you want any kind of notes, please comment your mail ID so that I can send you the notes. And please subscribe and please click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications about new videos which we upload. After the completion of data structures, I'm going to do about database management system or operating systems or any installation steps and any gaming projects, like gaming project without any coding we can do. Such kind of things I'm going to upload. So please do follow my channel so that you will get the notifications of my new videos. So thank you.